mwancho Amayia Chinsa Isano na Ibere chiabono mubaso enga kibono ngo kwaregania asa mangana mayasenchera yobwenge biamono ekiagero gendrete kurigereria Ndizi TV nero bwansubu mugusi na inde nabakogendera gutobwatia gwetera senchera ya mitandao Ndizi TV News ensemo ya Facebook nabaigo Ndizi TV News asensemo ya YouTube kuiranande asegekeke kerebosio egerenko manyenga naralia ya na kwareganirie asense yeiga. Nje nigonkoro kwa Sara Nyarangi Ontita nolia tokubwatira na komo asensemo yebimanyererio nigakoro kwa Sl'Joshua Auta ekerotoko ya chaka asensemo ya siasa sorogongorwa gusi oyo kurigia ekerugo kyobo jumbe ase constituency ya bomachoge chache Job Nyangenya nigabono anganyire guchase kiama gya Kenya National Congress konye nigo arase kiama kia ODM abwasabona bolirie abamenyikorwa se bunge ya bomachoge chache kumosira aseganga ya iyo kurigia ekerugo ekyo okwana abuigoro nigo atebetebuna nigagucha kwenekia amagenderero amange asebunge yo anene asokorosia wichipara na machama ya yokunywa uchasaba menyi be constituency yo
Marieta Job Nyangenya Manga guriginde krokia bo machoge chache nanye mekiti official onango guri kroge kurwa sekiama kia Kenya National Congress ekiama ekikebwa tarama ya yekibungu na riti kroge ke 2017 kurwa sekiama ya ODM na ndege sengi chango na godali paretinde na tegerera abantu ba minto ngo baboringa ibata tpanda uche kurwa samone bangeire na kolengana na experiences to atwalde kurwa se amatoka etire na munegete nga make a decision ngatiga torigi ekroge ke abo machoge chache wetara se kiamege kya Kenya National Congress ekemeke gange ngolsone tikere bya sana ne vision ne birengere bya no saba machoge ekebungu kya magenderero ekine gitoja gutumia kuigora magenderero ali abere rock tin bo machoge chache
Oyo kurigia ekerugo kyobo governor se county ya Kisii Dr. Mapinduzi Onchiri nigobona soire ase kiama kia Usawa Party kia yomo governor we county ya Murang'a Mwangi wa Iria Onchiri nigatebire gwetera ekiama ekyo nigarache kwene kia magenderera mange asaba menyibe county ya Kisii abwa sasa bire kumosira ase ganga ya iyo kurigia ekerugo ekyo nigoba igatebire agucha ugonchokana na ase chinsemo chonsi county eyo ya Kisii ase okubolia abantu kumwegena na kumwekura eliachikobo mu governor bwe county ya Kisii.
Samari tengoro kwa Dr. Nchiri ratemo mo veterinary Bechiombe ase Kisii County aspiring governor ase Kisii County na gokigo sana kwirana nyomba oteba nyomba senge nchunga amabere naro na menyere I speak milk I woke up milk, woke up mambia mabere, wakasona mabere na maragwana mabere. Ekoro kusawa eminetinga tote de kilo montabe treated equally. Ene party leader yetu yakoro ku governor Mwangi wa Iria o Murang'a County. Na ekirenga kiria gwata se Murang'a County emo kirio bolimyo wa Murang'a County yatete go expand ebe county Kenya ngima tokoro bolimi. So sawa party ne kirenga kanene kabisa somoremi. Ene party yetu elishugulite mono no molimi na ande so bolimi obo ngombe ya mabere. E party leader yetu noere na ande we are launching on 31st. Ngokora NDC yeto ari KICC. We are invited all. Ende to mekere party leader yete gutwa. Ende to motenga agenda mutu o oboli chikura chobo president. At the same time, gomoreta torega after benchmarking. Gomoreta torega iga ende to ende campaign drill ende nainwa iche abasabe chikura na tutoko sabranchi.
Mo bungo yogo so yoko liekerogo kyobo governor se county ya Kisii kwenye nigaro mobwatani we kiama kia UDA magega ataranganya guchia se kiama kia Usawa Party. Watikana na yo mwancho moligerelia Charles Mogere oyoko liekerogo kyobo bunge ase constituency ya Kitutu Chache North nikobona boliria baraibon sina bana siasa walibako ligebirogo ao wosikana na gotuara amaskani eye magega ye chibana chiaye gusariwa amo ni chinde gusambwa egentagi keire na goteba keromo Kenya obwateganga yo kuriye kirugo ky'oburai na bwatobosibore asokone chisera chiaye gochiase abamenyi nonya nabo nigatebire tari gukomoyo nande nigagucha kogenderera kuriya ekiroge ekyo abwasari no kwigena buna nachekobo mubunge bwensemo ya Kitutu Chache North.
Nkuru kwa Charles Araka Mogere igonkurwanirira ekirogo ky'obubunge Kitutu Chache North ne kiama kiane igona agenda independent party asinginje yubono ntagete gotebanga rituko rya gukira rero nigona nyora umusani omo kungakirisi mieke maambia ogonte bingana ariko na etira epare pikipiki abwate na rolire gento ke kwamba korekana mune panel yao echweliri erega ekarona agenda na ikororo na nyora maene panel ine ere echweliri ibegire bisamunye njira ebine bitiso ekyagera na nyori no na bantu bagunkwanira bangakire simi abandi bako approach bagonte binga tigagotene na igani inkamono na umuisimibwa tigakumusariria elieta bono manya gusunyunga ndieta kinamusariria kyaranje kigurenje nkwerigeri tindi komo asengo eta tindi komo kwana bobe njengo tebanga abantu barete change bona abantu ubachire bagonte binga yale kunyarekana ngende kuburi oboseneta ntigeti mburi gerugo kyobubunge
abarai na banasiasa nigo baburiwe kurenda chinkwana bagukwana chinga kechiga chechi campaign bosyo bobochori obonene ubokorekana mutinyo 5 na 3 chitariki kyanda umwaka oyo aya nkorengana no mosori omonene bwe serikali Nordin Haji amo nabo bisabande kurwase kyombekia IEBC abono batebire tibari gucha kwebereryo ndebwensi oratokeka ukwana chinkwana chiranyare gusalia omorembe asense ito ya Kenya.
Of this compendium is to try and bring certainty, to try and bring uniformity, to also emphasize on the rule of law and due process. PP will continue to execute our mandate in accordance with the rule of law without fear or favor and guided by facts, evidence and the law. This is a great boost to our collective preparedness for elections. In the same spirit, I call upon all other agencies to embody the principles of coordination, collaboration, and cooperation in their strategies to safeguard the rights of the citizens and hold persons who commit electoral offences accountable.
The Commission hopes that the collaboration must be sustained. It is also our hope that the guidelines that are the subject of validation today will go a long way in enriching the framework for top-notch prosecution of election.
E komiti ye bunge elietenerete amangana yoboremi nigo bono baboririe serikali gokeria abaremi eligori goserigori rioboyo elirigenderete gukina kirabugukia nigo boigo baboririe serikali nene kororera abakenya mabera chinga kyobugima bugenderete kubakongera kubwatekanana nebinyinyi bya COVID-19 amone chisegi chigenderete ime ya Russia na Ukraine okwana ime ya komiti ye bunge litukuligoro no mulikyo botambe ase wizara yoboremi Lawrence Omuhaka oyote birabuna ingani yuniche kurigereriwa nabalimi kuyereriwa ligoririo boyo eliotonyore ndagira asense ito ya Kenya.
Farmers are desperate, farmers are waiting, farmers know there is a government. Why isn't the government protecting the farmers in this country? That is the question we are asking.
According to the information I'm getting, is that the government does not want to put money there just because of some corrupt individuals who have done something wrong before. Instead of dealing with them, now they're punishing Kenyans.
Or is someone doing this one deliberately by design so that he imports maize to this country? We're having issues, Chairman.
Farmers are really suffering like Honorable Chair the way you have said. So we are hoping that this money will be released now that the committee approved and then it was put in the supplemental budget.
Na bana bodaboda kurwase kaunti ya Garissa litukuri igoro niko banyoreta maigerio igoro yobotumeki na kwerenda ekero bali ase chipara eyo nenchereye moyo kubakonya tibabaisa kwenekia emibasokano anene mono chingakie chiga chobo cholyo bonene nigo ainegatigwe no mokonyi bo mugavana e kaunti ya Garissa oyotebete gwikira bono iga serikali ye kaunti eyo yanyalire kobakego kori meroberio yo ase chikaunti wetania gusase chi sub-county wetania 10 ase county eyo ya Garissa unenchereye moyo koba maigerio igoro yobotumeki bwepara.
Contribute to road safety in very many ways. One of them is border training. As you are aware, it's an issue that has affected many Kenyans. It's an important sector, but it's also a sector that is also causing a lot of problems in terms of road safety. We have been doing this for the last 5 years, and we have covered over 15 counties. And this is the first time we've come to Garissa to support the issues of border. The challenges that we all face when it comes to borders. There are two schools of thought when it comes to borders. There are those of us who see them as a menace or as a problem, and there are those who use it and see them as good for society. But the reality is there is no good border or bad border. It's the operator or the rider that's where the problem is. So it's the issues of training. So for we as Kenya Road Board, we are coming in to train, to support and create